continuing this, in case of search, there were very special provisions. It was not like a regular reopening provisions or regular assessment was happening. So if there was a search today, all the previous 6 years from the date of the search, if search is happening in a one particular financial year, so all the previous 6 financial years were reopened under section 153A, and the assessment was made. Now the search assessment has been always been a source of litigations, and while bringing the search assessments into a new provision, and which will be named as section 148A, new section has been inserted, which I believe from the prima facie reading, this will be a common section for the reopening assessments as well as the search assessments. So 148 capital A, now the assessment will happen under 148 capital A for reopening also, for search also after 31st March 21. Now, the basic intention is even for the search also, if the tax assessment period initially they used to open for 6 years, but if the tax evasion or tax evasion found during the course of search was more than 50 lakhs, they could go up to 10 years. Now, this provision of the search, which were separately enacted, wherein the separate provisions of the law have been merged into 148A procedure, wherein they, even after the search, they can reopen your cases for the 3 years and they can go up to the 10 years in case the tax evasion is more than 50 lakhs. Tax, when I say tax evasion, it's income evasion, which it seems to be. So from 3 to 10 years, they can go if your income involved or evasion involved is of more than 50 lakhs. That it is. So again, the objective is very clear. The shorter period for the small assesses where the evasion is lower, larger period for the bigger assesses. Coming to